Welcome back to Kungana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media, episode 32. She wears a simple brown sheath that probably hasn't seen water since inception and has matted red hair that looks like it has creatures in it. Suddenly those eyes open and I see that they're a curious mix of orange and yellow and all looking at me. I quickly look down. So all you want is the lioness cub? Yes. At the end of the day you win and perhaps can confront the devil as to why he left you. I look back and see Dawn approaching and know she needs to go out if I'm to be successful. I do something that goes against my instincts and turn my back on her before walking out, taking the gamble that she'll follow, that is. I'm by the gate when I hear her running after me as she pushes me out the way to get to the light. Blinking, I notice that the sun has risen and watch as she walks into her death with her arms open wide. Her smiles quickly turn to screams as she struggles to move under the heat and power of the sun. The lions move in to get their cub and I feel a pat on my back and look up into my father's eyes. I told you to stay at home. I know, but you're going to fight when I know our mind is our best asset. He looks at me so long I'm sure I'm getting a beating before he picks me up and hugs me. The rest of the fathers take turns in congratulating me and Shumba walks forward and bows in front of me, something that has my jaw dropping. Jena Guru, you have saved my cub and our clan by outwitting Rima to save my daughter. From this day onwards, you have my respect. Ndimi wangaiwenyika anagudo na soko. Atichakuseke. Thank you so much for tuning in to Kungana Chengeto 90, brought to you by Tixezo Media. Thank you.